Alright, let's go ahead and finish this. So first thing we're going to start off is with our switch. Although it does feel intuitive that if you flip the switch up, it'll turn on, which it will, as you can see by these contacts. And when you have it off and it shows itself in the off position, then these two will be connected. So just for any other users, we'll actually put a little logo that says that it's on. We'll put on the T-place layer, so on the top of the board. Let's just make this size 2, maybe a little too big, maybe 1.5. I like to keep the ratio 15 when I want people to see stuff. Maybe something like that. And then I'm going to copy this, put similar one on the bottom, and then change some of the information. I want to change it to top left, and then I want to be off. So it might have been intuitive or obvious, but now if you switch it up, it'll be on, and when you switch it down, it'll be off. We gotta tell everybody what this board is, so we'll do text, binary clock. And for titles, I like to make these even bigger if I can fit it, and then ratio 20%. There we go, that looks good. And then we'll do a smaller text that'll say it's the control module, and put a couple spaces. It's revision 1. And this is a little bit thicker. I don't want people to see this as much. It's not as important. So maybe we'll make it 1, and we'll make it less, jumping out at you like that. You can make it even smaller if you want. Doesn't really matter. Maybe 0.5. Yeah, that looks good. Readjust it if you want. And then on the bottom side of the board, so I'm going to flip over to the bottom, we want to add our trademark. So my trademark is Mr. Swirly Eyes. It's on the top right now, so I want to mirror it. There, it's on the bottom. And then I got to find a spot for it. It's going to be kind of tough, but I think it'll fit right there and not get cut off too much. We can also add anything else we want in here. Usually I'll put a copy of binary clock in the control module. Feel free to do that. I usually like to put my designed by, make this small, and then it's on T place, so I want to put it on B place, so it's on the bottom. And now people know designed by and my little guy, but people don't know who that is, so I still have to put Mr. Swirly Eyes as well, kind of right next to it. Great, that looks good. Alright, so this technically completes the binary clock control module. Next up, we're going to do the display. There is going to be an optional part I'm going to do after here where I'm going to import this into Fusion and then show you guys what it looks like if you were to buy this board from Oshpark. So if you guys want, stick around for that. Otherwise, I'll catch you nerds for the LED display.